Should you use Samsung's built-in apps or switch to Google Apps? Android tips and tricks. Welcome to Ask Jerry, your go-to spot for all those tech questions that pop into your mind. I'm here to help you navigate the smart world we live in. With over 15 years of experience in the tech field, especially with Android and Google, I'm excited to share my insights with you. Got a tech question? I'm all ears. Shoot me an email at askjerryac@gmail.com, and I'll do my best to help you out. You can stay anonymous if you prefer, and rest assured, we'll only discuss what's relevant to your query. Now, let's dive into a question from Sarah. I just bought a new Samsung phone, and it already has apps for mail, calendar, contacts, and more. Should I stick with these, or should I download Google's versions from the App Store? Hey Sarah. First off, congrats on your new phone. There's nothing quite like the excitement of setting up a new device. I totally get that the setup process can be a bit of a hassle, especially when you're faced with a bunch of pre-installed apps. It's like a puzzle that needs solving before you can enjoy your shiny new gadget. So, to answer your question, yes, it's absolutely fine to use the apps that come pre-installed on your Samsung. However, there are a few that might be worth swapping out. Let's break it down a bit more. The best apps for you. First, it's important to know that companies like Samsung utilize Android's built-in tools to connect their apps to your Google account, just like Google's own apps do. This means that apps like Contacts and Calendar will sync with Google's cloud, making it easy to access your information across devices. The main differences you'll notice are in the user interface, UI. Some manufacturers add their own flair with colors and icons, and you might find unique features that can enhance your experience. Interestingly, some of the pre-installed apps are actually from Google, as they are required on all official Android devices. For instance, apps like Photos and Chrome are Google's creations, regardless of who made your phone. Now, here are 3 Google apps I highly recommend you keep or install. 1. Google Chrome ***. While it may not be the absolute best browser for Android, many websites are optimized for Chrome. Other browsers might share the same base, called Chromium, but sometimes things just don't work as smoothly. 2. Google Messages ***. This app may not have every feature you'd find in other messaging apps, but it gets updates to Android's messaging platform right away. It's a solid choice for texting, especially if your friends aren't using apps like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. 3. Google Photos ***. This app is a must-have for anyone with an Android phone. While the interface can be a bit quirky, having a cloud backup for all your precious memories is invaluable. Just make sure to set it up to back up your photos, even if you prefer a different app for viewing them on your phone. 4. Google Assistant ***. No matter which phone brand you have, Google Assistant is simply the best. If you're interested in AI features, take the time to set it up, it's worth it. Exploring other options. Of course, there are plenty of other apps out there that aren't from Google that you might enjoy. For example, feel free to use any contacts or calendar app you like. They all serve the same purpose, even if they look a bit different. If you're using a Samsung phone, their web browser is a great option. It offers extensions, a user-friendly interface, and additional features that can enhance your browsing experience. Plus, you can always switch back to Chrome if needed. When it comes to messaging, consider using WhatsApp, as it's widely popular and often preferred outside of North America. Find out what your friends and family are using and go with that. For file management, steer clear of Google's file browsers, they're not the best. Samsung's File Manager is a solid choice and should already be on your device. And if you're into music, explore services like Spotify, Apple Music, or Tidal. While YouTube Music is an option, its interface can be a bit messy. Remember, half the fun of having a smartphone is discovering new apps and features. Don't hesitate to experiment and find what works best for you. Happy exploring!